Hey there! If you have dry hair and struggle to style it, well, you're in for a treat. Look at my hair before. And now look at my hair after hydrating with these amazing products. This transformation could be yours too, so let's get into it. Welcome back to the Hair Obsessed Club. It's your girl, Hair Obsessed JC. So, yesterday I washed and conditioned my hair and now it's super dry. I came across this product because another YouTuber mentioned it as the only thing her mother could find to soften and tame her hair. It's the Pro Line Comb Through Softener for instant control. So I'm going to unravel my braids. And I'm going to apply some to my hair strands, just like so. So if you're struggling with dryness and can't manage or control your hair, this is something you should try. I'm still figuring out how I like it. One of the biggest struggles with 4C hair is keeping it moisturized. The tight curls makes it difficult for the scalp's natural oils to travel down the hair shaft, leaving the hair dry and prone to breakage. This dryness can make your hair look dull and feel brittle and makes it even difficult to comb. So I'm using the softener as my leave-in conditioner, and I'm going to be sealing in everything with my hair oil, helping me to be able to control the hair. Now that I've applied the softener to my strands, I'm going to style the front of my hair. Here's what you can do. Part your hair like what you see I'm doing here. Apply some shine and jam to the section and then do a 2-strand twist. Make sure to detangle your hair first before adding the gel. So I'm going to comb through my hair and I'm going to add the gel. If you're struggling with doing 2-strand twists, don't worry, there's lots of tutorials here on YouTube that can teach you how to do a 2-strand twist. Now that I'm finished with that, I'm going to see how I'd like to style the other side. I'm not liking the way that side looks, so I'm just going to leave the side plain without braiding it. Okay, so if you're still watching, let me know in the comments what products you're using to soften your 4C hair. I'd love to hear your recommendations. As you can see, the Pro Line Comb Through Softener has softened up my hair a little bit, giving me more control. For the back section of my hair, I'm going to make a high puff using my spandex string to control everything. If you're interested in any of the products, I'm going to leave everything in the description box below. So once you have your high puff all ready, I am going to preserve the front of my hair or secure it with wrapping paper, just like so. If you don't have wrapping paper, that's okay. Now that we're done with that, let's stretch the hair to make the high puff look or appear bigger than it actually is. So by doing some mini twists, strands, and then I'm just going to leave that and let that set. You can braid it or you can do the 2-strand twist. I do the 2-strand twist because it's easier to unravel and go. If you're enjoying the video, please leave a like because it reaches more people. Now I'm going to unravel the twist. I left these twists about 4 hours. And here's what the final results look like. So what you gotta do, unravel your twists, puff it, stretch it, and voila, this is the final results. Now what I did, I went ahead to preserve the hairstyle. I wore a satin bonnet. And now the next day, I'm just going to add some S-Curl activated gel to my hair, and then I'm going to brush my hair up again. And this is what my hair is looking like the next day. If you like this video, then check out this video next. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Until next time, stay fabulous, stay curly, and hair obsessed. Adios.